Hey, what's going on, my friends? It's your man Adam A. Spencer here with another video. And today I want to dive into BAKKT stock. I wanted to do kind of an update because right now BAKKT is getting hammered. I don't think it's ever been as low as we are today. So, that said, if you are new to BAKKT or if you were thinking about it, I would say this might be the best time to get on board because this is the lowest. I mean, I can't imagine it going much lower than this. I'm surprised it's even this low. And so this might be a great time for you guys to get on board with BAKKT because I believe BAKKT has a bright future ahead. And we already know where it's been, you know, back in the end of October, I thought. Yeah. It pretty much got up to 52-week high, $50.80. So, hey, we know that pretty much the only way it can go, the only place it can go from here is up. Now, of course, this isn't financial advice. Of course, it could go lower, but will it go much lower from here? I don't think so, but maybe, of course, it could. But, if you aren't familiar with BAKKT, of course, you can head over to BAKKT.com. Ultimately, they're making an effort to connect the digital economy. And just to scroll down here, I want you guys to see essentially everything you have that's kind of digitalized these days can be on your BAKKT app, kind of one central location. And so if you want to do some crypto trading, you can do it here on BAKKT app, buy and sell crypto. If you decide, hey, you have some reward points from your credit cards, well, you can add those to your BAKKT app, right? Sync it all here, have one central location to host all of these digital assets. And as you can see, quickly convert participating points straight into cash using the BAKKT app. So you can literally convert it. You don't even have to go. It's not like you have to go to chase.com and then like you can do it all here from inside of the BAKKT app. And of course, over here, rather use points to buy Bitcoin or a cup of coffee, convert select points to cash, then use that newfound money to buy crypto or a gift card, pay a friend back, or spend in store or online with the virtual BAKKT Visa debit card. If you want to send payments, you can do that here with the BAKKT app as well. Pay with possibilities. BAKKT makes it easy to spend your Bitcoin or cash balance with virtual BAKKT Visa debit card. Use the BAKKT card to pay in store or online wherever Apple Pay or Google Pay is accepted. And of course, as I mentioned, send money to friends. Did your friend pay instead? Quickly pay them back with crypto or cash. And manage and buy gift cards. I'm sure a lot of you guys out there like me, where you probably have a bunch of gift cards that are, the plastic physical gift cards that are just lost. They're piled up somewhere. Well, this is going to allow you to actually put them here. And you're going to go on this app since you're going to be seeing your crypto here. You can see your credit card reward points, your money. You're going to see your gift cards here as well, which will make you more inclined to actually use those gift cards when you go out to Home Depot or, DoorDash. If you're trying to do some DoorDash, whatever it might be, you're probably going to finally put them to use. But the other cool thing is here, as you can see, buy, spend, and send a gift card to a friend or buy one for yourself. Choose from over 100 plus supported brands, many of which are available at a discount. And like I said, the beauty of this is that you have all of this here in one central location. You don't have to jump around to 20 different apps. You can literally just come here and see everything in one location. That is why I believe this is only going to get bigger. There's so many apps these days, and it's only going to get more messy, more complicated. It can be overwhelming. And I think what BAKKT is trying to do is make it just more convenient and simplify it. And hey, you got some reward points, so you got some, gift cards. Let's put them to use because that's what they're meant for. And this is going to give you that whole visual perspective, that whole holistic view that will allow you to make better and smarter decisions. So I am a fan of BAKKT. Of course, we're not going to jump into like the team, who's behind BAKKT and whatnot. Although we will hear a little about BAKKT in this 7 of the best meme stocks for 2022 that you should buy now, because BAKKT is the first company that they have listed here. So although, let's refresh, see where we're currently at. We're up a few cents. What is it, 5 cents, 5 or 6 cents we're up? Not too shabby. I'll take it. Because, man, yeah, today's been gotten hammered today. Not pretty. But like I said, let me jump in here and we'll finish up. I got a little news at the end, so make sure you guys definitely stick around, getting through this video. But as you can see, BAKKT Holdings is a financial services firm with a crypto focus. BAKKT Holdings went public in October via a special purpose acquisition company SPAC merger, but it was 2 key developments not too long after that sent its shares rocketing from just under its SPAC offering price of $10 per share to as much as $50.80 per share. First, a partnership deal with MasterCard gives it access to the payment giant's global network. Second is another partnership deal, this one with Fiserv. Both relationships could help expand the number of individuals, merchants, and financial institutions that uses BAKKT's platform. However, BAKKT stock is below where it started. Chalk it up to the volatility seen lately in the markets. Adding to it, anticipated high insider selling. Even so, while it's gone from $10 to $50 and back to $10 and below, now may be a great time to initiate a position. In the months ahead, subsequent developments could help it to bounce back, including updates on its user base expansion efforts. New partnerships, such as the one announced recently with Manasquan Bank, could also enable BAKKT Holdings to move in the right direction once again. If your bullish crypto will make a comeback next year, consider this stock another way to play it. And like they said at the end there, if you are bullish on crypto, BAKKT is kind of intertwined with crypto. So when that gets hit, BAKKT probably potentially might get hit a little bit. And when it goes up, BAKKT will probably run with it as well. Of course, like I always say, this isn't financial advice or anything. I could be completely wrong. BAKKT could go lower than where we are today, which would be surprising. So that's why I'm making this video now, because I do believe this is a great time to buy BAKKT stock. All of that said, the reason, I wanted to finish this video up with this news, maybe I should have started with this because I know most people jump ship. They don't watch the video all the way through. But to me, this is possibly some of the most exciting news that we could come across regarding BAKKT. And this is the fact that they are hiring. They are growing. The BAKKT team is growing. We're looking for new team members in product, marketing, engineering, design, and more. Join us in connecting the digital economy. And hey, we're going to click on this link and see that BAKKT has 97 job opportunities. Now, how many of these are brand new? You can see this most recent one here. It says 12, 28, 21. So all these are like 12. See some 11s. Let's go all the way to the bottom. All right, so you do got a few older positions, but I would say, these are all 7. So most of these are all pretty new. A lot of promising signs here, because you want to see them growing. If we saw that they weren't trying to hire and grow and bring on new employees, maybe you got to be concerned, but knowing that they're like, hey, we're continuing to move forward. We got numbers to reach, numbers to hit, roles to fill. And literally this came out today, this post here on their Twitter account, where they are making that effort to grow. So this is a good sign for me, good news that I want to see as a current investor, and someone who will continue to invest in them. I'm anxious to see how the app continues to develop and evolve, to see what other partnerships they end up getting in the mix. I think, like I said, I personally am, I do have some crypto. I don't make much content talking about my investment in crypto, but I do own crypto. I do believe in it. So, as that article mentions, there's probably going to be a correlation between BAKKT stock and how cryptocurrency is doing. Maybe not too direct, but there definitely will be one to some extent. And I think as we see Bitcoin and Ethereum and everything kind of start to run again, which I believe it will happen in 2022, I think BAKKT is going to do it as well. And if it doesn't, that's cool. I'm not jumping ship on BAKKT this year. I don't believe, unless they, the product, the app just starts to stink, it's weak, and you see other telltale signs, other red flags that make me say, okay, maybe I got to reconsider my position. Otherwise, we are going to ride with it. And right now, considering its current price at $6.20, this to me seems like a steal. And like I said, either there's something else going on that I don't know about, which is making people jump ship, but I don't know. I think there's something here. I think we kind of knew because of the SPAC merger, and every SPAC has kind of done this pattern. I'm not surprised, and I think it's a waiting game at this point. I believe this is a great time to get on board with BAKKT. 620. I don't think you're going to beat that. It might go a little lower. I don't think it can go too much lower, but of course, this isn't financial advice. So, all of that said, my friends, I do have my growth portfolio that we do an updated video every weekend, and BAKKT is inside of our growth portfolio. So, make sure you guys subscribe, hit that notification bell so you will be notified. You can be up to date on that upcoming video for this weekend, but also other videos that I make about making, managing, and growing money. But all right, my friends, much appreciation for watching. Feel free to leave a comment down below with your thoughts about BAKKT. Is this a no-no for you? Are you curious to see how this develops? Are you on board? Are you down big? Or, where do you stand right now? I would love to hear what you guys think. And like I said, gotta just keep on buying these dips, getting it when it's low, because I think it's gonna get back to where it was and past this in years to come. So on that note, I gotta keep it moving. Much appreciation for watching, but you guys already know I'll see you in the next video. Peace.